Good morning students. Class 5th Moral Value. So in this video I will give you the answers of this exercise given in this chapter. So first and I will give you the answers. Chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. So let's start. Question number A. Tick the correct options. First is who was very lazy. So here given 3 options. The correct answer is a bird. Number 2. A little lazy bird was left alone by his friends, his relatives, no one. So his friends. Number 3. A little lazy bird realized his own. Answer is what? Fault. Number 4. A little lazy bird built a wonderful nest. Now question number B, fill in the blanks. First, the other birds prepared for a long journey to a dash land. So what answer will come here? Worms. That day was the day of a dash journey. Answer is great. Number 3. He realized on his dash that he would have to spend the long cold dash on his own. So here comes laziness and here comes winter. Fourth, all those dash meant that the little bird dashed through the winter. So here comes preparations and here comes survive. Fifth, everyone agreed that he should be put in change of dash the dash journey next year. So here comes organizing and here comes best. Now question number C, right, true or false? So first is the little bird was very lazy. So I think this is true. Number 2, all the birds were preparing for the long journey to a warmer land. True. Number 3, the little bird kept putting off the preparations for the journey. This also is true. Turn the page. Fourth, the little bird was very happy on being left alone by his companions. Answer is false. 5, the birds invented an early morning wake up song so that no one is left behind. This is true. Now question number D. Use the question number D, here are given some words and you have to make them in sentences. Okay, so you have to do this by yourself. Answer the following questions. So here are given some questions and you have to write the answer. I will give you the answers also. So first question is, who was very lazy? What did he keep on telling his friend? So first answer is answer number 1. The little bird was very lazy. He kept on saying that I just take a bit longer to get around to do things. That's all. So this answer is the first number. Now second question. What happened to the little lazy bird one day? So answer number 2 is, one day when he woke up he saw that all his friends were gone just like every other day. Several of his friends had tried to wake him up. So this is the second number answer. Question number 3. Why did the birds not wait for the little lazy bird? Answer 3. They left the lazy little bird because he was not getting awake for journey. Now question number 4. What did the little lazy bird realize? What did he do to save himself from winter? So answer is answer number 4. The lazy bird realized that because of his laziness, his friend left him. So here are given 2 questions. So this is the first first नहीं निकल रहा था. So this answer is the first part. Now second question is, What did he do to save himself from winter? So this is answer. He spent his days to find a good place in rocks to stay. He built nests and warmed the place by leaves, branches and feathers. He also gathered food for the winter. He dug a pool in cave so that he have enough water to drink, so he was safe in winter. So this answer is fourth number. Now fifth, why were the birds surprised? What did they invent for next time? So answer number 5 is the birds were surprised to see the little bird alive and how he managed to survive in cold winter. Now this they invited an early morning wake up song. They invented an early morning wake up song. So these answers are over, and you write in your fair copy also this question answers, and this question number F, complete the nest of little lazy bird and color it beautiful to save him from cold. Here is given a nest and you have to color it. Now number G, fill in your diary using words from the box for help. Here is given a diary, how to write. So here is given some words also, options also, and you have to complete this. Like this diary, dear diary, today I learned about the journey of the bird, how the struggle to face winters, the little bird laziness ended when she invented her nest. And here you have to write date, class and name. So this you have to do by yourself. Thank you. So in second chapter I will give you the remaining exercise. Okay, so fill in the blanks and all these things I already gave you. Now first and second question answers also I gave you in last video. Now we have to start from third question. What did the king and the queen ask the fairy godmother for their 3 children? So answer is, the king and the queen asked for their 3 children for first child Rufus. They asked that we wish great wealth for him. He should want for nothing that money can buy. This is the first child. And this for second child Celia. We wish that we should have a great talent and so become famous in the land. Third child, for third child Joy. We wish that she should be the most loving person in the kingdom. So this is the answer of third question. Now fourth question is, how can you say that Joy was a humble daughter? So fifth answer is, when Joy said to Mr. Baker, you are busy, can I take your dog for a walk? We understand she is a humble girl. Okay, now this we completed question answers. And question number D, how do you feel when someone is bragging about himself or herself? Here you have to write few sentences about this. Okay, so I will read this, but you have to write by yourself. Like, we really feel pity for that persons who brag all time, as it create gap between people. No one likes a bragger and others ignore braggers. Okay, so but you can write by your own words. Now question number E, how do you feel about people who do many wonderful things yet do not speak arrogantly about what they do? So answer is, these people are very kind and down to earth people. They will always help you in where possible, where every possible way. If you ask, they are also very confident people. So these two question answers you have to write by yourself. Okay. And this question, humility makes you believe that there is still more you can do to learn and improve. What do you feel that you still need learn? This question also you have to write by yourself, and when you come back to school, that time I will check your copies and the answers. Thank you.